This is a first of open house that we are doing this year after the IMTEX. IMTEX was a big show for us because we displayed the Make in India machines, which is VCEZ 510 IP and 410 IP. They are the two vertical machining centers that we are going to manufacture in India. The plant is under construction and will be rolling out machines from July onwards. And after IMTEX, when we showed the machines to our customers, there were a lot of queries about the machines, how the machines will be and what will be the performance. So we wanted to have a feel to the customers. So we started this open house. It will be for 2 days, for today and tomorrow. And a lot of customers are coming from Pune and around Pune who are seeing the machine in action, and a lot of customers are promising and giving a good inquiries. We are able to conclude many orders as well in last 10 days, and the deliveries will be definitely up in the July month.